Hello, this video provides information on how to enroll with Equifax Credit Monitoring and Identity Theft Protection Service. This service is being made available by regional health authorities in Newfoundland and Labrador through a contract with Equifax Canada to provide credit monitoring and identity theft protection services to individuals whose personal health information and personal information was breached in October 2021 during a cyber attack that impacted healthcare information technology systems across the province. Who can enroll? Clients who received services from regional health authorities in Newfoundland and Labrador and that were affected by the cyber attack. Current and former employees, physicians, and locums of regional health authorities affected by the cyber attack. Eligibility. This service is available to individuals over the age of 18 who have a Canadian credit file. For those living outside of Canada, coverage will depend on the availability of the service in their region. What does this service offer? The Equifax Credit Monitoring and Identity Theft Protection Program allows individuals to monitor their credit and identity information, as well as detect and respond to fraudulent credit activity. So how do you enroll? There is a two-part process to enrollment. First, obtaining your unique code, and second, activating your code. For the first step, if you're a client, to obtain a unique code, call the provincial toll-free information line at 1-833-718-3021. Or clients can visit the Equifax Canada web portal at www.consumer.equifax.ca/NLRHA to receive an activation code by email. This web portal is available to residents of Newfoundland and Labrador. If you are not a resident of Newfoundland and Labrador, but think you may have been affected by the privacy breach, please call the provincial toll-free information line at 1-833-718-3021. Please keep in mind that the unique activation code for clients has an expiration date. Those who wish to enroll in the Equifax program must do so before this date. If you are a current employee, physician, or locum, you should have already received your unique Equifax activation code through your Eastern Health email. If you are a former employee, physician, or locum, you would have received a letter in the mail with your unique Equifax activation code. If you did not receive an email or a letter, current and former employees, physicians, and locums should call the provincial toll-free information line at 1-833-718-3021 to receive your unique Equifax code. Activation codes for current and former employees, physicians, and locums have expiry dates. If you are a current or former employee and wish to enroll in the Equifax program, you must do so before this date. For the second step, once you have a code, the enrollment process through Equifax is the same for all affected individuals, clients, current and former employees, physicians, and locums. Once you have a code, the second part is to activate it. To activate the code and complete the enrollment process, please go to the Equifax enrollment website at www.myservices.equifax.ca/prem. If you are having trouble opening the Equifax website, it may be because you are using an outdated version of Internet Explorer. Try using a different browser, for example, Google Chrome, or updating your Internet Explorer browser. If you do not have access, remember that public libraries offer free access to computer terminals that have internet connection. On the Equifax website, copy and paste or type in your code into the appropriate field. Checkmark the box that says you are not a robot and click Submit. When trying to enroll with Equifax, you may receive an error message stating, "We have experienced an issue processing your request." This error message may appear when there is a discrepancy in the information the user submitted in the enrollment form and the information on file with Equifax. If this occurs, please call the dedicated Equifax assistant line for clients at 1-866-547-2429 or the dedicated Equifax assistant line for current and former employees at 1-866-820-9143. Equifax will provide you with instructions on how to proceed. When you visit the Equifax website, be sure to follow all steps outlined by Equifax to complete the enrollment process. As the enrollment is related to your personal credit information, it is recommended that you use a personal email that you will continue to have access to for the duration of your credit coverage. Clients who are unable to access the online enrollment form may activate their code and complete the enrollment process by calling the dedicated Equifax assistant line at 1-866-547-2429. This Equifax assistance line is dedicated to clients who also have questions about the Equifax enrollment process, product information, or related inquiries. Current and former employees, physicians, and locums who have questions about the Equifax enrollment process, product information, or related inquiries can call Equifax at 1-866-820-9143. This Equifax assistance line is dedicated to current and former employees, physicians, and locums only. Affected individuals who have any questions about their personal health information as it relates to this cyber attack can contact the toll-free provincial information line at 1-833-718-3021.